Hi guys, welcome back to another video with Jessie, and today I'm going to be showing you how to wash a fox fur rug that you might have at home. So this is the before. It's all dirty from all the dirt it accumulated, and I'm going to put this on the washer, and I'm going to roll into a ball and make sure all the fox fur is sticking out. Oh my god, this OxiClean White Revive white brightener and stain remover is the best. I highly recommend this because it makes your whites fucking bright white, like bright white. So I'm gonna put a full scoop in the soap dispenser and make sure that it's on cold wash. You do not want to wash it on hot. You want to wash it on cold wash only, and you're gonna let that OxiClean do its magic in the machine because it was filthy. If you saw it in person, it was, I don't know if you can see it well in the video, but it was fucking filthy from all the dirt it accumulated. And look how white it became. I am like wowed and how bright and white it turned out. So I went home, and you want to let this air dry. So I hanged it on my balcony, and I'm trying to show you in the video how white it is, but in person it's like so fucking white. And I flipped it around, and I was like just amazed, and touching it is just how I first bought it, how fluffy it was, and oh my god, it's super white. I'm in love. So highly recommend that OxiClean White Revive. That is safe on colors because it does its magic. So this is the before and after. So like the video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.